lips are cracked and swallow, or you see wrinkles. So if you face these problems, then you should have to watch my video. Okay, let's drink some water. You know what? Lips usually end up dry when there is less amount of water in your body. You know that weather change and winter's coming, so climate change can also lead to dry lips. I apply lip balm. Actually, it helps to moisturize your lips and also rehydrating for a longer time period. If your lips start itching while being cracked, it could be a sign of allergy. Avoid licking your lips, as the saliva might crack them even further. You know what? That swallow lips can be a result of getting hit in the mouth or come from allergic reaction and after using a cosmetic products. So I use more cosmetic products. Sometimes I face this situation. The other and last thing is wrinkle on the top of the lips. Could be because of physical and mental tension. So you have to avoid this. Maintain and hydrate your lips. Moisturize your skin and lips, and that's it. I hope you like my video. See you next in my other video. Till then, bye, take care.